Guys, look at this, a brand new SVJ Roadster. I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. The SVJ Roadster is gonna be the next car on Daily Driven Exotics for me. Dave has no idea.
There it is right there. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. The next DD car is mine, and it's gonna be a 720S. I am trading in the 12C very shortly and getting one.
Don't tell him. Am I gonna have to sell a car to do that? Maybe. Which car? Who knows? Maybe one of Dave's cars.
Do I get a coupe? Do I get a Spider? I don't know. What are you doing?
No,
ready to go?
Road trip?
Road trip time, bro.
You're just window shopping. Get out of there.
By the way, I love the shoes, bro. I love the shoes.
Thanks, man.
Do you like my shoes? Yeah, can you give me a compliment?
Yeah, what's with your shoes?
Well, I'm driving a race car. You're in a vet, so I'll get you like, I don't know, some beef jerky.
Well, I'm a big Lamborghini Corvette guy.
What's this? You can't wear that and be here.
I can wear that.
I'm gonna save your life real quick
I own an
here.
F12.
What are we doing today?
We're doing an epic road trip, you guys. One of my favorite things to do is get out on the open road and have new adventures. And I'll tell you, with this whole COVID thing going on, I'm ready to go along for a little adventure, and we wanted to bring you guys with us. So today, we're taking the McLaren and the C8 Corvette.
Can I stop you for a second? When you say today, he means tonight. It is 7 o'clock. We have an 8-hour drive.
We're starting the road trip today. We have a twisty, epic road called the Sea to Sky Highway. You'll never guess why it's called that. We're gonna go to Whistler, British Columbia, one of the most world-renowned places to ski, snowboard. It has a peak-to-peak gondola. When we hit the road, we gotta get going. They didn't come here to watch us window shop. They came here to watch us drive like men. So you're gonna watch me.
Just get in your Corvette. Damon's always talking a lot. It's kind of what he does, and today it's payback time for you guys and for me. We're gonna prank him. If you remember Barney, that beautiful purple SV, well, Lucas recently bought Barney through August Motor Cars. Damon doesn't know that. I'm gonna surprise Damon and be like, hey, I bought you a car, something like that, and he'll see Barney. He'll be so confused, they'll be like, psych! It's not for you. Hope he doesn't hit me. On the Sea to Sky Highway. Pretty sure, anyways, we're outside of Vancouver, and I text Luke, that owns Barney, and said, come join us. Damon has no idea he's gonna lose his mind. He'll also be mad because he really wanted that car. But here's the thing, he wants every single car ever. Look who it is! That's so sick! Go get Damon! Go find Damon!
Guys, this is the favorite road of all time. No! It's Barney! This is my favorite car of all time, you guys. This is the sickest SV ever.
They must be like, what the hell is going on right now?
Oh! What? What the? I think you're because now you're just rubbing it in because you know how much I love this car.
You love every car.
I was this close to buying that car. I'm a huge Lamborghini guy, all Lamborghini merch all the time. Dude, Damon.
Luke.
Max. Oh, this is my dream car. Barney.
Shut the up. He has a manual Murcielago. This is my dream car. He's got a Murcielago, twin turbo Huracan, a Hummer. He's gone on and on and on.
I know.
I'm so sick of your
I got a C8. He was just asking me because of the hoodie.
That's a LaFerrari.
And I said it's a La Corvette.
There's no badges. There's nothing. There's no badges.
I'm so happy I called you, Luke. And now it's raining. We get a 2-bed hotel room. I found somewhere really cheap. Tomorrow morning we'll kick back off.
We're not staying at the Four Seasons.
This is the cheapest room they have.
Yeah, right. Why are they so small? What's going on?
Guess how much this room was? $800.
No. It's in Whistler.
For the Four Seasons, bro.
All right, guys, we gotta thank today's sponsor, Listen Up. Raycon earbuds are amazing. They were founded by Ray J, and check this out, their little portable charging case is super convenient. Put it in your pocket, whip them out when you're ready to listen to your favorite beat. Raycon provides innovative earbud designs at prices that don't break the bank. Inspired by underdogs and big dreams, Raycon aims to empower go-getters around the world by creating the next wave in wireless audio technology. With its suite of true wireless audio products, celebrities like Snoop Dogg, Cardi B, J.R. Smith, and Melissa Etheridge are huge fans of Raycon. All right, you guys, honestly, I love my Raycon earbuds. They come in various colors if you don't want black, 6 hours of playtime, and when you're done with them, simply pop them into the case, magnetic, close the case, and this will charge your earbuds up to 4 times full. I've been rocking my Raycon earbuds for a little over a month now. The sound quality is outstanding. The bass is even better, and I truly have fallen in love with these. I put them in, and I don't even notice that they're in my ears for the whole hour that I'm crushing a workout, getting fit and buff. Go to buyraycon.com/DDE and get 15% off your order. Raycon earbuds start at about half the price of other premium wireless earbud brands and sound just as amazing. So go to buyraycon.com/DDE and get 15% off your order.
You know, this looks oddly romantic, but I can assure you guys this is all just business for us.
Wife just texted me and said, I'm paying your Amex. The Four Seasons was $480. Is that right? Question mark?
It's actually $800. Reply and say, Dave is bougie.
I said, ask Dave.
Road trip back on. So far it's been an absolute failure. You did see Barney yesterday though. Were you happy about that?
I was happy. I should have bought that
Why didn't you
car.
buy that?
Because you talked me out of it. Hold on. Sorry. Thank you, GM.
Normally I'd apologize to the guests of the hotel, but there's nobody here, so rev on.
So I found us a project car. Needs a little bit of work, but I think we can restore it. What do you think, Dave?
You know, if Tavares was here, he'd say we can fix this. You know what kind of car this is?
This is a Honda Civic.
This is a Ford Focus.
How do you know?
Little cam on the top there. There's the alternator. there's the exhaust.
This thing is trashed. Somebody was out to have a little fun on the weekend. How do you like in the road?
Oh, that back there, the switchbacks were intense.
Okay, let's hit it.
That's a damn made by nature. Well, damn nature, well done. You know, I gotta say, I don't think many supercars come through here. Unless there are avalanche warning signs and like active logging trucks and like, you know, this guy here. Yeah, if there was an issue with the McLaren right now, I'm pretty sure there's no dealer nearby or even a gas station. A problem with the McLaren after the tune, again, tune's awesome, thank you Gintani. However, it burns a lot of fuel. All those pops, well, that's dinosaur bones. Look how beautiful this is, like literally. This is nature. And we have 4 hours and 18 minutes of this. 329 kilometers. 200, almost exactly 200 miles of back road driving. Look how freaking tall these mountains are. How they're cut out like this. It's like the BC Grand Canyon. I've never seen anything like that. I hope on camera we get the scale of this. Probably don't because of the wide angle lens. But anyways, back to driving. Fitting place to stop. This is the brake check here. As you can see, we are here. And if your brakes go, basically it goes.
You guys listen, I know It's a C8 and it's got stock wheels and it's got no exhaust and there's nothing done to it. There's stuff coming. There's stuff coming, I promise you. We have some things coming. This car is looking amazing.
Sounds good too.
Soon we will have upgrades though for the C8. We got wheels, we got a suspension, we got an exhaust made of titanium. Typically things are too good for Dave. This exhaust is gonna be too good for the C8. LaVette is gonna have the most badass exhaust ever created. You can quote me on that. How beautiful is this? What an amazing drive. I can't believe, Dave, you've never driven this.
Never.
Well, this is a little better today. The weather is dry, even though it said it was gonna rain. So once again, meteorologists are f***ing overpaid.
There really aren't meteorologists anymore. Now there's weathermen that use Doppler radars to give them a spit out. So it doesn't really take a lot of human power. It's all the computers. It doesn't matter.
How's the car?
Well, I had one issue. I went to touch the brake.
Pretty slow.
I went to touch the brake and they were super soft just one time. It was really weird. So whenever I come into a blind corner, I just test my brakes, make sure they're still there.
Imagine that would be not good. Oops. Oh. Whoa, and right off the cliff. Now in grizzly bear tree. Did you hear that? All right, time to go.
Look at that. Holy shit. Hold on.
This is why I love road trips. How epic is this like old Western looking hotel? Oh, where are we? It's amazing. Just getting out of the house and exploring. Your car won't start? No. Almost stuck in the drive-thru.
See you later, dude. See you later. When you leave, I want to hear that thing.
That guy had dice in his mirror. Never accept a race from a guy with dice in his mirror. James is a huge fan of the channel.
I'm watching.
So James, I'm just eating a burger right now. Keep going.
Randomly, when I pulled up, I was like, hey, check out this really cool hotel, the Reynolds Hotel. Looks like an old Western hotel.
I worked there.
So he works there and saw us drive by and was like, what are the odds?
Your reward, you can punch him in the mouth right now. He won't hit you back. That's your reward. Hit him! Do it! Hit him!
Dave just wants everybody to beat me up. Oh, it's a hairy corner. Full on concrete blind corner. Well, the road got a little rougher. Little dirty, little dusty.
It's definitely an off-road adventure.
Well, there's Slowpoke Dave. Sucka. What is this? Okay, I'm curious. I'll bite. I need to stretch my legs anyhow. What is this? What is that? Highland Valley Copper Tailing Storage Facility. I don't know, but I've never seen anything like that before.
Finely ground rock particles left over after the process of separating valuable metals from the mineral rock. So they get the gold, they leave the sand.
That's crazy. Dude, how epic's this road?
Amazing. There's no one out here.
There's nobody out here.
We've literally cut 28 minutes off our ETA.
Hey guys, let's do this. More twisties.
This is all mine. This is like Canadian flag on those round things there. All one big open pit mine. Now that's how you buy a Bugatti.
That is an open pit and it goes way down. That's insane. That's one big open pit from way up on the top of that mountain, all through up in there, all the way down, and that goes, look how deep that goes, straight into the ground.
Dave Coulter is for once impressed. Holy shit. That's Bugatti money right there.
What goes past that? All right, we just finished up a gas stop. Last one. Next destination, Kelowna. These cars are getting a bit of attention. Everybody's looking. Later, guys. Apparently they don't get a lot of supercars in Merritt. Oh, we finally made it to Kelowna. Dave always gets us lost. All right, you guys, we made it to Kelowna. We are at Mike Hall's house. Look at this place.
Yeah, what's
It's
with the house?
absolutely massive.
First of all, he has a $6 million yacht. Now
And-
this massive house.
Yeah, it's gonna be like at least $10 million. And it's got a lake view. Hold on, let me turn my car off. That's right, remote on, remote off. They have no idea we're coming. I honestly don't know if we can stay here, but we'll get a hotel if we can.
Mike has spare bedrooms. He doesn't know this. We're gonna pop by here and stay here. We're here for 5 nights. 5 nights in the hotel is like $1,000. 5 nights here is free. The food is free. Friendship is free.
Honey, I'm home.
Whoa, it's Mike!
Mike Hall.
How's it going?
Well, hold on, you got people here. You're gonna barbecue?
Yeah, we're doing a family barbecue.
It's a family barbecue.
Family barbecue.
That's not family.
That's not
Oh yeah,
family.
yeah, pretty much. The employees. What's this? What's this?
We want to stay here for like 1 to 5 nights. More likely on the
1
5
to 5
side.
You
nights.
said that I need to get this back within 3 days. It's been 2.5 weeks. Here's your deep plate.
A little bit.
It's not till Thursday.
I know it's not until Thursday. We need a place to stay. We got here a little early.
Mike, 5 nights. No, stop him, stop him, stop him, stop
Can I
him.
come stay?
They sit in the same bed,
Yes.
Damon.
Okay, question. Do you take the McLaren, the Corvette, and the F12 and the
CX-5.
CX-5? Or do you take the house? I want to know in the comments. Let's do a Mike Hall house tour.
Come on in.
Not bad. Holy, what is this?
Seriously, what do you do? Because are you like a drug smuggler or what? Because you're not selling that many cars. No offense.
Oh yeah, we
Is
are.
he?
Oh yeah, we are.
Really? You guys sell that many cars?
We do.
Man, it must be the marketing.
Must be the.
No,
I think
it's the key fob warranty.
It's the key. It's the key fob.
We're down there.
Oh, what the hell is happening here? It's his own jersey.
Mike Hall has a lot of bouginess to him. He got a pool. Look at the view. You can play some ping pong.
All right, Forrest, but oh. Yeah, this is a legit view. You got a pool?
Crap, look at this. So you guys, for real though, do you take the house or do you take the cars? You can have all the cars, including the Mazda. Or do you take the house? I'm not done. Check this out. He has this crazy theater room. Come.
Hold on.
Holy crap.
Where is he? I know where the Batman is. Holy. What? Seriously, Mike's your employee. Look at the screen.
I have a popcorn maker in the corner.
It's a movie theater.
You guys smash the subscribe button, join the DD fam. I'm super excited to let you guys know that the series has finally started with the F12, Aaron Kaufman, Dean, Mark. It's gonna start, it's going down. Before we know it, we're gonna have a twin turbo F12,
Nice.
which I'm super stoked because it'll be so much better than his F12.
Where's that man going? You know, he's 41 years old now, which is probably 20 years older than you. And it's starting to get a little, dementia.
Ride through the mine.
You take a ride to the mine? Yeah. Oh, that's so fun. Let's just entertain him, take him for a ride. Okay, guys. Okay.
I want to go right now. Let's climb the fence and just go. How bad can it be? Looks safe. They got hard helmets somewhere in here.
You got a hard head.